Welcome to Emerald Coast Marine, your full-service gateway to the best boating on the Northwest Gulf Coast. Our headquarters, location in the Destin-Niceville area, is easily accessible by land or water and just minutes from Destin Harbor, Crab Island, and the Gulf of Mexico. Experience true Southern hospitality at our 5-star rated facility, serviced by a team dedicated to delivering an exceptional customer experience. The marina features a newly constructed dry storage facility that is hurricane rated, plus numerous wet slips. Our Emerald Coast Yacht Club membership features world-class amenities. Enjoy access to our sparkling waterfront pool and spa while toasting our famous sunsets from the Vista Deck. Check out the spacious member lounge with spa-style restrooms and showers. Ready for a great meal? Our popular waterfront restaurant serves up delicious coastal cuisine in a casual setting. Looking for a new or pre-owned boat? Our marine consultants assist customers with the best deals on premium pre-owned and the best new boat brands, including Key West, Crevel, Sea Pro, BLACKFIN, Crownline, Finseeker, Hurricane, Crest Pontoons, Nautique Towboats, plus Beneteau powerboats, including Antares, Flyer, and Barracuda. ECM Yachts proudly represents the Beneteau yacht brands, including Swift Trawler, Gran Turismo, and Monte Carlo, along with top lines Carver and Marquis. Brokerage customers receive a free market analysis, access to our vast brokerage network, and a robust marketing support program. Our marina wet slips provide a world-class setting for your yacht. Need boat service or repair? Our factory-authorized service experts are skilled and certified to work on Mercury, Suzuki, and Yamaha outboards, plus Mercruiser and Volvo Penta inboards and stern drives. Ask about our specialized detail center offering fiberglass repair, bottom paint, and custom upholstery, or the parts department that's fully stocked with in-demand inventory. Like to learn more about membership in the Emerald Coast Boat Club? Check out our new boat fleet and all-inclusive yacht club amenities. We're also pleased to offer a second location in Orange Beach, Alabama at The Wharf, offering new and used boat sales along with yacht sales, brokerage, and consignment. Cruise on over to Emerald Coast Marine today for all your boating needs and expect the best boating experience anywhere on the Northwest Gulf Coast.